Hey guys, welcome back to Majesty Beauties, and here we're going to show you how to style 4B 4C hair. So first off, I'm starting with pre-washed, already blow dried out, kind of to stretch it for this style. And then I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and part out a pretty decent size section in the front. So I use my eyebrow as a guide for either side, and then I go across and section this part off. Also, I'd like to go ahead and give credit to where I got this style from. Her name is Thechicnatural on YouTube. You can go ahead and follow her. I've been following her for years, and since I've been on my natural journey, her channel has really helped me in kind of keeping up with nice styles and not looking like a kid when I style my hair. So shout outs to Thechicnatural on YouTube. So what I do here is I part right above my ear and bring it all the way across, and that'll be my first section. So what we're going to use right here is the Girl Your Hair is Laid Edge Control. You can find it on majestybeauties.com. And we're going to slick down our sides. You don't really need much. And just apply it to your edges and a little bit behind your edges just to smooth it out. So your first ponytail is going to go right behind that first section that you separated. I guess in a high ponytail, I guess you would say. And then we're going to go ahead and section off the back. And that'll just be in two sections right behind my ear again. And then we'll do the same thing with the edge control and rubber band it off. So what I did was grab like some cheap braiding hair from the hair store, and what we're going to do is connect this to the top ponytail, and then you'll take a little section off and wrap it around the top just to cover the rubber band, and then we'll proceed to braid it all the way down, connecting each section. Y'all ain't gonna front, like my arms be getting real tired, so y'all gonna see me stop in between. I try to speed it up, but I ain't gonna even lie, y'all. This stuff is tough, and I really am not good at braiding my own hair just yet. So this is definitely something new, and we gonna work it out though. So I just wanted to let you guys know why I'm stopping. It's because my hands get locked up, and this hair wasn't really the best hair to choose for this style, but I wanted to just try it, and I grabbed the cheapest pack of hair that I could find. So you'll see me struggling a bit, but overall, I'll get it done. So on this part, I'm just going to braid it all the way down to the end. Eventually, I'm going to just burn the tip off. But you won't see that in the video. And then, yeah, this is me just trying to smooth it out. It looks a little bumpy, so I ain't gonna even front. I had my sister go back and actually help me braid this because it was not looking cute. But yeah, y'all will see how it ends up. So in this front portion, I'm just going to comb it out and then do a very loose braid or plait. Very loose. And then I'll stretch it out a little bit, and then we're going to fold it backwards to create like a little bouffant type of do. I'm looking for a rubber band right now, but we're going to tie down that end and then stretch the braid. So this is the part where I fold it backwards and then try to pin it to where it connects to the top of that ponytail. So that's how it's gonna look. Once I pin it down, then I'll go in and look at it and see what I like about it, and then pin down the parts until it looks neat to me, or it has a desired look. And you can just play around with it. See how little parts of it that, see, it looked like a little booty right there, so I gotta fix that. Y'all don't mind me, I'm special. But I'll just keep pinning and doing whatever I need to do to make it look cute, and then you'll see the end result. So we're going to add a little bit more edge control around my edges, around the front, to kind of smooth out the front. Y'all, I do not know how to do edges. I don't care how hard I try. I don't care how many videos I look at. My hands afflicted. I just don't know what I'm doing. So this is my version of edges. So yeah, we just gonna have to deal with that. Yes, girl, we're gonna pop in some earrings. Yo, yes, I'm about to pop in these little earrings, and honey, that's just all it's gonna be like. Check me out. So if you follow this video this far, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you like it. Here's some pictures that I'm going to insert. And also follow me on my social media. It's all tags in the description box. Thank you.